But let's try some magic. 1, 2, 3.
Bruv, I didn't look at it this way before, but as I approach my birthday, all you man are my youngers. No.
Hey Wapenzi Squad, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Rachel, nice to meet you. Consider subscribing at the risk of your sanity. So today we're going to be doing a Swahili themed, or if you're from the US or Canada, or the people who watch me from there, by the way, thank you so much for tuning in. There's 4 outfits and a wig on the pillow, which cannot be seen now that I'm seeing in the camera. I am from Zishawer and I'm supposed to do a photo shoot. I am trying my level best, because I can't go out because of corona, and I really don't want to stop creating. So yeah, that's what we're going with. So this is a dera I borrowed from my mother since she doesn't wear it. Then this is mine, also mine, also mine. I know they look so weird, but we'll figure it out. We'll try and see if it works. I'm going to try very simple things. I'm just going to do things randomly around the house so that I can prove that you really don't have to have flamboyant photography, so that you can do something nice for the gram. So yeah, now here is where I want to land. I don't know how I'm going to teleport, but let's try some magic. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it worked! A little change of scenery. So I'm going to go to the living room and use the mirror over here because it's better apparently. Exposure. Exposure. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this around my head so that it creates like a Swahili or a summer themed vibe. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you like a small time lapse of how I'm doing that, and then we're going to get on with the photography thing. Cool. That I have this part of my couch, just the half of this couch, and then this gold situation happening, and the orange and the brown, and I also have yellow. I mean, I feel like this is such a theme. So the next thing I'm going to pop out is uteo manenos. So yeah, I'm going to look like I'm doing something traditional, and I'm just going to be taking the timer, running back, pausing, timer, running back, pausing. Or if you have, if you have a Bluetooth shutter, this is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to put it, I'm going to hide it here. So I press it and then I pause. But if you don't have a Bluetooth shutter, just keep running. It's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. We are creating at home. So I'm my one own army. So hey, I don't think if I'll be able to do a fake time lapse of me posing. I don't want to do that. I'll just post the result of the picture that I will post on Instagram, and then let's get to the next place. Scene number 2 is over here. So I'm going to sit. This is the front door and the same outfit. I want a picture where I'm actually laughing, or even though I'm not laughing, like I'm being joyful, like I don't want to just have like, but then my Instagram pictures are very serious. I don't like them being so serious. I try to laugh. I did try, so I'm trying one when I'm laughing. Again, I'm not going to fake poses and stuff up, and I'm just going to show the results because I feel like in my intuition a lot of people do it, and no, I'm trying to take this as simple as possible. Okay, the next scene that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture in this closet, and then I'm going to take this laundry basket and take a picture with it, because like in Mombasa there is Mama Kufua. So I'm going to be your Mama Kufua for the day. I really hope I get a good picture because the lighting, it's midday right now, the lighting is not so good. I'll try as much as possible to edit the picture in the best way possible. Yeah, then let's go to to the other outfit number 2. Wapenzi squad, this right here, like New York Fashion Week. I mean, look at this. This is like my curtain, and then in front of me there's a window, and then that's where I'm going to shoot like a portrait where it's just cropped from like, yeah, I just want like a bare skin situation thing. I'm actually wearing clothes, but oh, I'm so excited for this. I want like a portrait of just my face. Probably I'm going to change it, and probably this is going to be like my new profile picture everywhere. I don't know if it goes so well, but I'm so excited. Whoa, I got one, and let's just say I feel that resistance that it's not so good, but it's still good, but it's not so good, it's still good. You know what, I am not going to, every single picture that I think deserves an eye in this photo shoot that I'm doing in the house, I'm going to put it up. It is not me to judge what is good and what is not good, it is you guys. So whatever it is that I kama imetokea, we move. Now the next scene, we are going outside. I want to try something with shadows. I'm thinking shadows, so let's go and try shadows. I'm sorry, I'm shooting this later on during the day, so I sat here and then I kind of like lifted my hand so that there could be a shadow on my face, and that's the concept I was going to. The thing I talked about shadows, that is what I was talking about. Cool, so we're going to see the result right here. Last look, I did an orange dress paired with some heels. The concept was, I am coming from the south side of heaven, do not mess with me. And I feel like I'm not so impressed, really not so impressed, but maybe if I edit it, the picture is good, but because of the lighting, it doesn't look there. But I will try and edit it, and I will post it for you guys so that you guys can see and you can vote for the results. So the last dress, finally. I've been doing this for hours, you guys. I'm too choka. This is tiring. I was supposed to do a picture with this dress, but then I figured what I wanted to do it was involving props, and I don't want to involve props in this one. I just want, maybe if you're super basic, if you're starting, or maybe if you're watching this for fun the same way I watch like makeup videos for fun. I don't know why, like you start watching them and then they start doing the layers, and then boom, the whole other human being, and you're like, how did that? But yes, I love watching them. Like, if you love watching me just for the fun of it, it's okay, that's fine. But if you're an amateur and you want to start out and this is what you want to do, well, for me what I did is low angled shots, and yeah, that's it, low angled shots, as low as it can go, especially if you can have it on the ground. If you can have your phone on the ground and angle it in such a way that it is looking up to you, amazing. Or if you have like a tripod, you can have it from maybe knee length or something. Like that low angle thing just flatters you in ways that you do not understand. So yeah, that's all I did, and everything in this video is shot on my phone, edited on my phone, posted on my phone, everything on my phone. Like, don't even give yourself excuses that I don't have this because of this. No, just create. And I'm the champion of telling people, stay at home, nini, and yet I've not been creating at home. So this is me proving that even at home you can do stuff and you can make content. Yay. So follow me on my Instagram at Rachel_Ndanu, and Twitter at Rachel_Ndanu, and TikTok at Rachel_Ndanu, and Facebook at Blue Skies Inc. I love you so much for watching. Always remember that God made only one of you, and that should tell you something. I will see you next week on Sunday. Bye.